Hello, I'm Dave with Custom Air Products and Services. I'd like to invite you to take a short tour through our facility and share with you the many things that we do here at Custom Air Products and Services. Let me introduce you to our three divisions that make up the one company, Custom Air Products and Services. Our first division is the Mechanical Field Service Division. They're responsible for the installation and equipment replacement. Our second division is the HVAC Service Division, responsible for handling emergency demand service, preventative and full coverage maintenance, and filter replacement. And our third division, which is manufacturing and modification of HVAC equipment. As an integrated part of our manufacturing modification division, this is the parts distribution center, providing for all of the necessary OEM parts for the CAPS manufactured equipment. This is the Mechanical Field Service Division, also known as MFS. This division is primarily responsible for the installation, retrofit, and replacement of HVAC equipment and systems. The division employs highly skilled and professional project managers, estimators, sheet metal craftsmen, welders, pipe fitters, along with controls and automation specialists. This is our Manufacturing and Modification Division, also known as FAB. Come on inside and let me show you this unique process. The Manufacturing Modification Division is certainly unique. It encompasses professional in-house mechanical engineering, fabrication and production, electrical, paintings and coatings, pipe fitting, and sheet metal craftsmanship all in one. The process begins with you, the customer, with some type of request for a custom air handler, air scrubber, or packaged air conditioning equipment. It's followed by that request going into our professional engineering department. Thereby, the engineers provide the fabrication and production workers with a set of plans and specifications to manufacture your piece of equipment to your exact specifications or performance requirements. CAPS, being a custom manufacturer, utilizes stainless, aluminum, steel, and painted surfaces in any and all of their manufacturing of equipment. Let me introduce Colin Maddox. He's our Vice President of Manufacturing and Modification. I've asked him to take a few moments to come through and show us some of the unique machinery and state-of-the-art types of tooling that we have here at Custom Air Products and Services.
First off, what we're looking at here is our top-of-the-line piece of equipment. This is a Amada CNC computer-generated laser cutter. We use this for all of our sheet metal applications for integral cuts. We're able to cut stainless, aluminum, carbon steel on this machine. It is a burr-proof piece of equipment. When we fabricate on this piece of equipment, we're able to weld to any edges and cut integral parts that you wouldn't be able to do by hand. Next in our lineup of equipment is an Amada punch press, a CNC Amada punch press. It is a partner piece of fabricating equipment to our laser. The laser is our most efficient piece of equipment with its abilities to cut multiple parts at one time. I mean, it can move and cut 100 parts inside of a half hour, where our punch press is more designed for a specific part. We can run an individual part a little more efficient on the punch press than we can the laser, but this punch press is diverse in cutting holes, squares, any type of shape that you would want punched and later on broke. This is our most recent investment as far as new capital equipment. This is a state-of-the-art Hyde mech mechanical bandsaw with CNC controls. Basically, this machine will do much like any bandsaw that you have in a mechanical shop, with the exception of the fact that this has programmable auto bar feed. It also has hydraulic clamping mechanisms, so the operator is never in harm's way or never has to put his hands inside of the mechanical function of the saw. Everything is automated from a control station. This piece of equipment eliminates the need for at least one full-time operator. It can be programmed, and this piece of equipment will operate itself on long saw runs. In addition to the equipment that we've just looked at, Custom Air Products fabrication capabilities extend far beyond that. We also operate on a daily basis 2 iron workers, Brigham metal roll. We have 2 press brakes that we operate, a 120-ton, 10-foot press brake. as well as a 12-foot, 150-ton press brake. We're constantly upgrading our shop and our capabilities. As well, we saw the laser, which is sheet metal capable up to about 1/4 of an inch in steel. So for our larger equipment and thicker equipment, we also have a plasma table where we will cut all of our plate materials to upwards of 1 inch thick plate material.
Okay, thank you, Colin, for taking us through the fabrication process. Now we've moved on to the production and assembly side. By following our carefully engineered plans and specifications, our fabrication and production workers now begin to assemble the new unit, whether it be air conditioner, air handler, scrubber, or some type of explosion piece of equipment. You can see behind me that they're in various states. Some of the equipment has just now reached the assembly line. Some of it is in its final stages prior to the final quality control inspection. Behind me is the HVAC service division. Our team members that work within this division primarily provide our clients and customers with emergency service, HVAC and plumbing, preventative maintenance and full maintenance service agreements, IAQ or indoor air quality, along with filter services. Okay, to recap where we've been, we started out in engineering, moved in through fabrication and utilizing the raw materials and cutting the panels and frames and the main structural members of the equipment, onto assembly where we put the major components in and do the final assembly process. Now to our final steps. First, we'll build the electrical panel, as you can see here beside me. That's done completely in-house by our team members. After the electrical is complete, we'll move on and have the piping taken care of, whether that be refrigerant piping or chilled water piping. And then third, your new machine moves into our test booth. There, it's checked against the original performance and engineering data to ensure it delivers the achieved performance. As an integrated part of the HVAC service division, I'm currently in the Indoor Air Quality Group's facility. This facility houses the many thousands and many different types of filters that the CAPS Group offers its clients and customers as part of their preventative maintenance service agreement or full coverage service agreement. You can see behind me that we offer everything from pads to pleated filters to HEPA filters to even charcoal and chemical filtration. To the left behind me, you'll see our unique coil cleaning rig. This mobile unit allows for us to provide a superb coil cleaning to the condenser and the evaporator coils of your air conditioning equipment. Together with the IAQ team members, the filter service, the coil cleaning service, and the duct cleaning service offers you a total IAQ solution. The next step in the custom manufactured process is to apply a custom paint coating or some type of corrosion resistant coating. Behind me you can see is one of two of our large paint facilities. These facilities are state-of-the-art with the correct proper ventilation, lighting, filtration to ensure a perfect finish on your product. In addition to providing new equipment coatings, CAPS provides like new equipment retrofitting. Let me explain. We bring in your existing machine, provide a complete preparation and stripping of that machine, and apply new industrial exterior coatings along with corrosion resistant coatings to the coil surfaces, providing you a like new machine. As you can see behind me is our second paint booth, which is certainly large enough to put an 18-wheeler. CAPS has two of these paint booths to provide for your needs, whether it be large or small. We're standing now in our training facility, which we know as CAPS U. The university was founded on the belief that we continuously invest in our employees and team members for the greater good of our customer, their families, and our community. As you can see behind me, there's hundreds of certificates, their accomplishments through continuing education, technical training, or some other type of skill set that has allowed our team members to grow and prosper within our company. Many of our team members started out as field employees or technicians or sheet metal craftsmen, are now project managers, estimators, sales folks, even high executive managers. See, our secret to keeping our customer happy is our continuous education. And this training facility, or CAPS-U, represents our continuous commitment for investment in our people and in their skills. I want to thank you for taking this virtual tour of Custom Air Products and Services, and like to personally invite you to come out and experience this for yourself. Remember, Custom Air Products and Services, we design, build, install, and service HVAC systems.